What is going on, you guys? We are back out here, and in today's video I'll be shooting some street on the X-Pro 3 and also the Fuji 200mm f2. So that'll be interesting. I've never shot street on this before, but otherwise, yeah, let's just jump straight into the video. Alrighty, so have the 200mm one, f2. It's a big lens. So I'll show you. It's actually quite quick to focus, which is good. So it's a bit overcast. Actually, I want to take a picture of this black rider. Really slow. Yeah. I've got 400 or 300 ISO. Take a picture. Is this tram coming? That's not shot. You can see how quickly you lose focus on it because of just how big the lens is, or just how long the lens is, I should say. So like these guys coming over the hill there. Focus. Wait. I reckon this is gonna be a cool shot of the tram. From that distance, it's far away. I'll change to focus mode. True continuous. Pretty cool shot. Let's cross over. Let's try that. That's a little better. Miss. It is quite heavy as well, so here's something just to note. Let's keep carrying on. So you got your custom setting there, got your preset AF there, and you've also got stabilization here, and you got your focus length in there. So at the moment I'm just purely shooting through the black screen. Not too bad. Waiting for that's all the way down there. So a nice amount of compression with the f2 on this lens. So this colour's all the way down there. It's all the way down there. It is quite hard to find so magnified. That is the one thing I can't say. Nice amount of compression, like with this one right here. So one thing I noticed very overcast today. So yeah, I think it's one best. Does miss focus a fair bit, so maybe that's it, trying to, if we put it on focus, it may just be the body though. I like the compression at 2.0, 2 is the same. Very heavy. See how this flower turns out. Yeah, I think it's definitely something you would use on a tripod, not necessarily something you would do handheld stuff on. Because I've only just started this and my hand is already tied. Look at these guys. But even this from this far away, the frame is still very small, which may be a good thing, maybe a bad thing. And I can see it better being more feature, being a sports shooter. It's a bit far away from an event, for example. See how it starts to miss quite early on,
it so far. It's kind of a bit sort of closer you are to the lens, the slower it is. According to the back screen, it seems quite good from far away. Close to the camera as well. That shot. Not too bad, but it's actually moving. It's a big green wall. Alright guys, that has been my street shoot with the Fuji 200mm f2. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. See ya.